Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take out a RAM stick. First, ensure your computer is completely powered off and all cables, including the power cord, are unplugged. Next, open your computer's side panel to expose the motherboard and its components. Before touching anything inside, it is crucial to ground yourself to dissipate any static electricity, which can damage sensitive electronics. This simple step protects your valuable hardware from potential harm. Now, let's locate the RAM modules on your motherboard. They are usually long, thin circuit boards inserted into dedicated slots. Each RAM slot has two small retention clips, one on each end, designed to hold the stick firmly in place. To release the RAM, gently push both of these clips outwards at the same time. You should hear a slight click as the clips disengage, allowing the RAM stick to pop up slightly. With the retention clips open, you can now safely remove the RAM stick. Grasp the stick firmly by its top edges, being very careful not to touch the gold electrical contacts at the bottom. Gently pull the RAM stick straight up and out of its slot. It should come out with minimal effort once the clips are fully disengaged. Avoid any twisting or excessive force, as this could damage the stick or the motherboard slot. After removing the RAM, if you're not immediately reinstalling it, store it in an anti-static bag to protect it from static electricity and dust. Before installing new RAM or reinserting the old, ensure the slot is clean. Finally, once you've completed your task, carefully close your computer's side panel, secure it, and reconnect all your peripherals and the power cord. Your system is now ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.